Today we are going to discuss a new unit, partial differential equation. You are familiar about partial differentiation, is there in first semester. You just recall about partial differentiation. So we consider two type of functions, that is y is equal to f of x, another type of function, that is u is equal to f of x comma y. So u equal to f of x comma y means u is a function of two variables x and y. Here y is a function of a single variable x. We call this type of function is called implicit function. We call this type of function is called explicit function. See, why we are considering these two type of functions in partial differential equation? Because we consider y is equal to f of x, you apply the differential operator d by dx for y, that is equal to f dash of x. But you can't apply d by dx directly for u is equal to f of x comma y. Why? Because here two different variables are there, but here only single variable is there. That is why we differentiate y is dependent with respect to x, will get f dash of x. So in this case, because of more than one variables, we apply another differential operator, that is partial differential operator, that is we write dou by, here two variables are there, you write dou by dou x and dou by dou y. Because of two variables, you apply partial differential operator dou by with respect to x, dou by with respect to y. For u is dependent variable. So dou u by dou x means, I consider one example. Suppose x square y square 2xy plus 1. See, u is a function of both x, y and constant term. Because of more than one variables, we apply partial derivative of u with respect to x, that is dou u by dou x. What happened in right hand side, dou u by dou x means partial derivative of u with respect to x means we differentiate only x term, treating other variables remains constant. Other variable means with respect to x means y square, y, these are all other variables, treating constant. With respect to x, derivative of x square is 2x. Here y square is constant, treating constant. Derivative of constant is 0, plus with respect to x means we differentiate only x term, that is x is 1 into 2 into y, that is 2y, plus with respect to x constant derivative is 0. All are clear about this? Partial derivative of u with respect to x, you will get 2x plus 2y. And partial derivative of u with respect to y is, we differentiate only y term, treating other variables remains constant, means here x term is other variable. With respect to y means x square term is constant derivative is 0, plus derivative of y square with respect to y means 2y, plus with respect to y means we differentiate only y, that is 2x into 1 plus 0. All are confirmed about these two type of partial differentiation with respect to u, with respect to x, with respect to y. So this is the example for to understand the partial derivative with respect to x and with respect to y. So After confirming the partial differentiation of the given function u is containing more than one variable, mean sometimes two variables, sometimes three variables. In this unit we consider two variables, sometimes three variables. Definition of partial differential equation. See, in engineering, after knowing the partial differentiation, we are going to discuss partial differential equations. In partial differential equations, we are classifying different types of partial differential equations, and we solve that different type of partial differential equation. Engineering application of partial differential equation. See, I already told the given function involve more than one variable. We use partial differentiation, particularly in vibration of string, heat conduction, electrostatics involve two or more variables. Analysis of these problems leads to partial derivatives and involving them. Computer science application. Simulation in computer graphics. This partial differential equation is a tool. Now we are going to discussing the definition. An equation involving one or more partial derivatives of a function of two or more variables is called partial differential equation. After knowing the definition of partial differential equation, we should know about the order of partial differential equation. Order of partial differential equation means order of highest derivative. Order of highest derivative in partial differential equation. Degree means the degree of highest order derivative after clearing the equation of fractional powers. And in ordinary differential equation also we are discuss different types of differential equations like linear, homogeneous, exact, but here we are discussing linear partial differential equation and homogeneous partial differential equations. Definition of linear partial differential equation. A partial differential equation is said to be linear if it is of first degree in the dependent variable and a partial derivative. Homogeneous partial differential equation. We simply say the order and degree of the given differential equation is 1, we call homogeneous. In another word, if each term of the PDE contains either the dependent variable or one of its partial derivatives, the PDE is said to be homogeneous. Otherwise non-homogeneous partial differential equation. I repeat, in this unit we are classifying the different type of partial differential equations. Why we are discussing partial differential equations means a function involve more than one variables. We use partial differentiation. Using partial differentiation to solve different type of classified partial differential equations. We have different type of partial differential equations are available. That is linear partial differential equations. Linear means the dependent variable degree should be 1. Homogeneous means order and degree should be 1. Homogeneous, otherwise non-homogeneous. We are also discussing non-homogeneous partial differential equation in this unit. In this unit we have some useful notations. We use these notations when we are solving the problems. Very important notations we always use. Dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x means here z is dependent variable, x is independent variable. We denote dou z by dou x is P. Next, dou z by dou y is Q. Next, dou square z by dou x square means second order partial derivatives with respect to x. We denote R. Dou square z by dou x dou y we denoted by S. P, Q, R, S. Dou z by dou x first, second dou z by dou y, third dou square z by dou x square, that is R. Dou square z by dou x dou y mixed order partial derivative we denote S. Last one dou square z by dou y square we denote P, Q, R, S, T. You recall these notations. After knowing these 5 notations, in this unit one question from you construct partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants and construct partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions. Eliminating arbitrary constant eliminating arbitrary functions. One question from this method. Arbitrary function means suppose f of, like that, f of means functions, constants like a, b, 1, 2 digit, like that. Given equation involve arbitrary constant, we eliminating arbitrary constant to construct PDE. Elimination is the technique by using these useful notations. Heading: formation of PDE by elimination of arbitrary constants. Example: z equal to x plus a into y plus b. See, in this equation, arbitrary constants are a and b. We eliminating a and b to construct PDE. You know what is PDE? Partial differential equation. It has dependent variable with respect to more than one independent variables. That is called partial differential equation. With the help of notations, every problem from this method solution, first we use dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x means what? First you write z is equal to x plus a into y plus b. You call equation number 1. Using this means differentiate partially with respect to x first. See, every problem we always use differentiate partially with respect to x from this method. What happened in left hand side? That is dou z by dou x is there, right? What happened in right hand side? You know the meaning of dou z by dou x. What is the meaning? Partial derivative of z with respect to x means we differentiate only x term. Treating other variables remains constant. Because of x plus a is there, we treat this one function like that. With respect to x means x is 1 and constant into other variable y plus b. Constant derivative is 0. See, derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of a with respect to x is 1, right? Sorry, constant derivative is 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into y plus b, that is 1 into y plus b means y plus b. All are clear about this? You call equation number 2 and differentiate partially with respect to y. See, we use this, that is dou z by dou y. What happened in right hand side? With respect to y means we differentiate only y, treating other variables constant derivatives. That is y is 1 plus 0, 1 into x plus a. You call equation number 3. See, every problem you call equation number 1 different, and next we find dou z by dou x, and next we find dou z by dou y. So we have 3 equations, 1, 2, 3. Using these 3 equations, our intention is to eliminate what? A and B, right? See, we denote dou z by dou x is P, we denote dou z by dou y is Q, Tell me the options for eliminating A and B. Use 2 and 3 in 1 is the unique option to eliminate A and B. See, equation 2 and 3 in 1 means, y plus b is p, y plus b is p, x plus a is q. Substitute this. Equation 1 becomes z is equal to x plus a is equal to q, y plus b is equal to p, y plus b is equal to p. So this is the required partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants. See here, arbitrary constants a and b is there, but here there is no a and b. So this is the method for formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constants. Got it? Second problem. Formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constant. Z is equal to ax plus by plus ab. Solution. Given z is equal to ax plus by plus ab, you call equation number 1. As usual, like previous problem, here also differentiate partially with respect to x. What happened? Dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x means partial derivative of z with respect to x means we differentiating only x term, treating other variables remains constant. With respect to x, derivative of ax is a into 1 plus. So this is purely other variable, treating constant derivative is 0. This already constant derivative is 0. Therefore, denoting dou z by dou x is p is equal to a. You call equation number 2. And differentiate partially with respect to y. Every problem first with respect to x, next with respect to y. That is dou z by dou y is equal to, with respect to y, this term is constant derivative is 0. This term with respect to y is there, b into 1 1 into b plus 0. Constant derivative is 0. ab is purely constant. Therefore, denoting dou z by dou y is q equal to b. You call equation number 3. We have 3 equations. Using these 3 to eliminate arbitrary constants AB, we have one unique method. Substitute 2 and 3 in 1 like previous method is the unique option to eliminating arbitrary constants like A and B. Substitute 2 and 3 in 1, that is z is equal to, here ax is there, a is p into x, plus b is q into y, plus a is p, b is q. So this is the required partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. Next problem. Formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constant. Given equation z is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square. You call equation number 1. I already told every problem. You first use P, next Q. If possible to construct PDE by using P and Q, you can construct. It's not possible, you go for using after P and Q R S T is there, right? Solution. partial derivative with respect to x, that is dou z by dou x. With respect to x means this is purely x term. Derivative of x minus a whole square is 2 into x minus a into 1. You are familiar to this. Plus with respect to x, this term is purely other variable. Other variable remains constant. Constant derivative is 0. Or denoted by p is equal to 2 of x minus a. X minus a. You call equation number. Okay, next. And next, after finding dou z by dou x, next dou z by dou y, obviously y minus b. Got it? Denoted by q is equal to 2 of y minus b. See, you call 2 and 3. Call 2 and 3. Using 2 and 3, if possible to eliminating a and b, you can do it. See, here equation 1 x minus a whole square is there, here x minus a is there. Shall I write or p by 2 equal to x minus a for substitution purpose? Here also q by 2 is equal to y minus b. So therefore equation 1 becomes, by using these two, z equal to x minus a is p by 2 whole square, y minus b is q by 2 whole square. You write one more step, p square by 4, q square by 4, right? Otherwise you write one more step, 4z is equal to p square plus q square is the required partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant. Or you write 4z, p means dou z by dou x whole square, q means dou z by dou y whole square is the required partial differential equations. Next problem. Formation of PDE by eliminating arbitrary constant. 2z is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. You call equation 1. As usual, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x, that is, here z is a function of x and y, so you write partially with respect to x means derivative of 2z is 2 dou z by dou x is equal to derivative of x square with respect to x means 2x by a square plus treating other variables remains constant, derivative is 0, or 2p is equal to 2x by a square, or 2 cancel, p is equal to x by a square, and differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y, that is 2 dou z by dou y is equal to purely x term 0, 2y by b square, or 2q equal to 2y by b square, 2 cancel, q is equal to y by b square. Call 2, call 3. Using 2 and 3, if possible to eliminating a square and b square, yes, it's possible. You rewrite the given equation is in the form of a square is equal to x by p, right? Shall I write like this? Here b square for substitution purpose, y by e cube. Substitute equation 1 becomes, you substitute a square and b square to here, 2z equal to x square by a square is x by p, y square by b square is y by q, or 2z is equal to x cancel, px plus qy is the required partial differential equations by eliminating arbitrary constant. Next, this is homework problem. Formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant ax square plus by square plus z square equal to 1. Try this problem in home. I will give the answer. Z square minus 1 is equal to z common px plus qy. So this is the answer. Confirm this answer. So I will continue in next class.